He waved. Oh my god.
Well, he stuck a finger up.
Well, he did like, you know, like...
And I did as well.
Yeah, so... And I waved like this. We Volkswagen buddies. Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel and welcome to another episode with our Volkswagen. So, today we decided that we're gonna drive to the different places to find out some prices for stuff that we want to get done in a van, which we've been to 3 places now. Yeah, so we've been to 3 places. We went to ask about the wheels. We're gonna go that way. So we went to ask about the wheels to get from black to silver, and we went to ask about the body repair and the resprays and wrapping. Well, we never actually thought about wrapping, but then when we went to find out about the price for a spray, the body, the guy just suggested like, why don't we go straight? Why don't we just wrap the car? And then the guy who actually wrapping the car, he literally was like across the road, so we went to speak to him, and it turned out that we actually probably gonna end up wrapping the van, but left. Whoa.
And up there.
And no, we're going straight. Very extreme driving.
Well, I don't know where we're going.
Well, we're going to Scrapyard. But yeah, so we got some prices. Turned out that pretty much anywhere we went, changing wheel colors from black to silver and refurbish them will cost about 400 quid. That's including VAT. So it's actually not bad, especially that the wheels are, is it what, 20 inches? So they're quite big. So work needs to be done in them. When it comes to wrapping, we found out the price between, well, probably it's going to be between £1,600 to £1,800, because the price we got already was just for a bottom half, but then we have mirrors and we got logo to wrap as well and that kind of thing. So yeah, the price wise it's actually not bad as we thought. We're still gonna find out the price for touch-up on the second half, the top half, and obviously some touch-ups on inside doors and interior, as there are a few scratches, but I'm gonna show you them later as well. Actually, in this video I'm gonna show you actually what we have with the van and give you like a little tour, and then maybe a few ideas to what we really want to do with the van. But yeah, that's so far what we've been doing today, pretty much driving from shop to shop to get prices. And now we're actually on the way to Scrapyard to see if they have any used Volkswagen transporters, to see if we can get some stuff from it, like ashtray. We have a ashtray, but it's missing a cup holder. We only got one, so we want to get that sorted, especially that on the internet they're still charging about £35 for a new one. We're trying to find a second hand, but it seems like nobody's selling them, so we just want to have a look at the Scrapyard if they have anything, and to see what they have really, and basically to see if they have any Volkswagen transporters there. Just, you know, there are so many stuff you can actually save money on, especially from Scrapyard. If, you know, they're not damaged and there's nothing wrong with them, then yeah, might as well use the second-hand one and clean them, respray them and put them to our van. Yeah, we're gonna go left. So yeah, I will catch you soon.
Approximately 10 hours later.
We back home now, and it feels like it's been a long day of doing a lot and nothing. But on the long term, the aim for today was to go and find out some prices for wheels and for paint, bodywork, and we got some ideas. We actually made that little step moving forward, so I'm happy with that one. So I thought I would just talk to you and then give you a van tour before we finish that video. So first of all, let's just talk about the prices. So like I mentioned before, roughly everywhere we ask, which we ask about 4 companies, or we visited 4 companies, and then we actually emailed a few companies, and all of them says that roughly to make 20 inch wheels from black to silver, which I'm really sorry, but we're not keen on the black wheels, it will cost us about £400. That's included VAT. When it comes to paint of the van, we were asking whether we're gonna respray the whole thing to make it properly, or just do some touch-ups, or what we were thinking to touch up on the top of the van, but the bottom one, it's gonna be wrapped. Like I mentioned in the video, wrapping, it will cost us roughly about £1,700 to do the color that we want. And the paint, we're waiting for a quote. We've been talking to 3 companies, 2 face-to-face and 1 via email, and then we're gonna find out what the price might cost. We just have to wait because it's quite a lot, and they will decide which, they're gonna give us a price for both, even just the half, 2 tubes or full, and then we can just choose which one we prefer, which one's gonna work best. But anyway, let's just move on quickly to give you a quick van tour properly, because when we got the van, we never even had a chance to show you and properly, and then talk to you through. Especially that now the van was valeted, so it's nice and clean. And also this week the van is going for a proper service and checks up, because what I like to do, and David likes to do, is that every time we buy the van or any cars, we like to give them a proper checkup in our local areas. So like in Carline, there's Harpers who specialize with the Volkswagen. They check it. They've been working on my car for a very long time, since I actually own them, and now we have a van, so they know me there, and they will do the check. They will do a full check for us. But anyway, let's start from the tour. So this is interior from inside. This is what it looks like. We've got Alcantara roof, lovely LED lights, strip LED as well. They can change color to blue and white. Curtains, blackout windows. We've got curtains in there as well, and then curtains on the door. 2 berth bed as well. They will slide, and then it will make into a bed. I like the design from that they have the original. They put the original pattern from GTI. Fridge as standard. We've got more space there. There's a more space there. There's a laser battery, a water tank, and just in there it's a small gas tank, which is a bit awkward position, but we're gonna get round to it. And there's more cupboard in there. All the switches in there where we can operate the lights, temperature, and the fridge. We have gas, or hob, sorry, and then we have a sink there as well. We also have a heater, which is one heater is there, and that heater goes as well to the front. But because the owners who owns the van, before they sold it, they traveled regularly to Spain, and they never needed that. So when they converted that, they put it there, but they never used it, so they never bothered about the battery. So we have to buy the battery to connect, and then we'll be able to use it. That's what it looks like from the rear. Space for a table. Again, table goes on those railings over there. You just attach to it, and then you can have a table. But yeah, that's what it looks like. There's more space in there. The only thing is, I'm not really keen is like how they are visible. We're gonna try to cover it and make a few changes in there, but it will do for now. And there is more space in them. Of course, that will be dismantled, because we're not planning to have anything attached to it. We're just gonna keep it the way it is. Like I said, it's a lovely van for 2010. It's a cracking van, and like I said, it has everything we need. To the front, there you go. There's a night heater, and that's what it looks like inside. Looking just basically a basic Volkswagen layout. So it's got upgraded GTD steering wheel. Unfortunately, the buttons they're not working in there. Nothing has been connected except just obviously working how it should. So we're gonna change that to the original steering wheel, and then the rest of it is just as normal. Mine goal always was to have a Volkswagen with the aircon, manual or DSG. We're not bothered really about that, but the main goal was to have a AC. Original seats, they have a cover from Spotline. Again, they're not rotating or anything like this, they just stick there. Eventually we're gonna get the captain chairs It's a capture chair in the front on the both sides, or it's going to be a capture chair there, and that will be rotating in 2 seats, but we haven't decided that yet. But yeah, and then Alcantara roof headlining, it's lovely. I like that one. Eventually we're going to remove this one. Owners gonna send us the sun visors and the handles. They never put it up because they never needed it because of this one, but we want to rid of that and want to get a normal traditional way of doing it. So once that's gonna come, we're gonna put it up straight away. But other than that, that's what it looks like. Not bad for a first van. It has literally everything we need. It's got AC, it's got parking sensors, it's powerful enough, spacious, and you know, it's got everything that we need to start with. We never had a chance yet to go out and explore and stay in a van for a night or anything like this, because having a full-time job and working some of the weekends, it's simply, we couldn't do it. But hopefully in the next few weeks we'll be able to go out in the lakes and experience staying overnight in the van. So then obviously I'm going to take it with me and then share all the experience. But like I said, all the costs and everything we'll be sharing as well. We just want to show how much things cost nowadays and how things work and what we want to change, and you know, any problems, any good, bad things will happen, everything will be shared. Like I said, I just want to help you all guys to understand what it's like to have a van, the cost and work needs to be done, especially if you want to make it your dream van. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave the comment below, let me know what you think about it, and if you have any suggestion of what we should do with the van, that would be great as well, because we are open for any suggestions. But other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.